Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Vijay Analyst. Today we are going to see 19th day of 30 days DSA challenge. The question is rotate the matrix by 90 degrees. Before moving into that, if you guys have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. It motivates me to create a content like this. Okay guys, let's see what they're asking for. Given a matrix of size n cross n, the task is to rotate it by 90 degree in anti-clockwise direction without using any extra space. There are three things we need to notice in this question. One is n cross n. The both matrix row and columns which is having the same size of values, which is for example 2 cross 2, 3 cross 3 likewise. And we need to rotate the matrix by anti-clockwise. Most important thing, and without using any extra space, because in some cases what we can do is we can create some temporary variable, some temporary matrix itself we can create, but we should avoid those scenario in the situation. That's what they are saying, without using any extra spaces. And also they are looking for an output with a order of n square only, which and also space complexity is order of 1. We should not create any extra matrix. We need to replace them in their own location. Okay guys, let's see the example. They are given a matrix like this 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. They are expecting us to create 3 6 9 2 5 8 1 4 7. Let's see this same example more in a visual manner. This is the original matrix they are given. The size of the n is 3. The resultant output is 2 6 9, likewise 2 5, sorry 3 6 9 2 5 8 1 4 7, which means if you see this particular row is converted to a column, but at the same time it was in a reverse order. 1 2 3 converted to 3 to 1, but in a column wise. Likewise 4 5 6 converted to 6 4 5 in a column wise, and likewise this row 7 8 9 converted to column in the reverse order. So we can understand we need to create the, or we need to make the particular row in a reverse order first. Let's assume I have created some visual for that. I will show you that. Okay, for example, this is the reversed order. What we are going to do is we need to create, or we need to make the row in a reverse order first. Okay, here we are having 1 2 3. We just have made the row in a reverse order 3 to 1. Likewise 4 5 6 6 5 4 and 7 8 9 9 8 7, similar to that. And but the resultant output you can see still we need to make the value in a row goes to column, column goes to rows. But at the same time already we have converted them to a reversed manner. So what we need to do is just reorder them, 3 to 1 goes to column, which means row goes to column, and this row goes to column, second row goes to second column, third row goes to third column. Similar to that, if you are having n number of columns, the n number of rows, the row goes to column. Likewise, how we are going to do it, that is the question. If you see in the particular two rows, we can say these diagonals having a same values, which means they are not interchanged. Even though if in a coding manner, if we write a code a particular way, it will sits on the same location. We don't need to worry about on these places. But at the same time, if you see the diagonals, these cross diagonals are interchanged. 6 goes here and 2 comes into the 1 of 0. So what we need to do is we need to interchange these positions. Likewise, you can see 9 and 1. Okay, 9 and 1 goes to 1 and 9. Likewise, so we need to find out a way how we can make these changes more in the visual manner. I will show you that. Likewise, if you see, these are the changes we need to, whatever the values present in 0 comma 1, it goes to 1 comma 0. Whatever value present in 1 comma 0 goes to 0 comma 1. Likewise, we need to interchange the exact opposite. 0 comma 1 1 comma 0, 0 comma 2 goes to 2 comma 1 1 2 comma 0, 1 comma 2 goes to 2 comma 1. How we are going to do is we are going to implement some for loop, and we will see how the code works. At the beginning, I'm going to reverse the each element first. Like what I said is we need to reverse the row first. For I in range n, For reverse function, I'm not going to implement any of my own functions, any of my own code. I'm going to use the inbuilt function in Python. Reverse it using a reverse function. Now the particular row was reversed. After that, I'm going to create another for loop. This will do the this for loop makes rows to column and columns to rows. J in range. I don't want to iterate the entire column unless until the I was increased. So that's why I'm giving a 0 comma I. It will goes only at the end of I. If the I value is 2 means only 0 comma 2 will execute. And as well as what I said is we need to swap the variable, right? At this point you can see whatever the values present in 0 comma 1 goes to 1 comma 0 and 1 comma 0 goes to 0 comma 1. This is what we are going to do right now. A of I and j is at the same time A of j I. We are going to assign them in the same manner but the same format, but the values will be changed. What I said is it will goes to j and we are going to change it as I. Make sure the syntax was right. I and this goes to j. Okay, this is what we need to do. Finally, we need to return the matrix. Yes guys, I hope this is the thing we needed. I'm going to compile it one. Yeah, we got an compilation completed result and I'm going to submit this. Yeah, yes guys, this is the end result. We have achieved our output. Okay, okay guys, let's see in the next question. Thank you guys, bye bye.